eye-catching experience with our viewers? What do you feel or say? What do you feel or says? Can you figure out and express your thoughts with your viewers? And my recipes are very effortless on the eye. So don't worry, with the power of shocking flavors. I know your burning desire is this. You don't want to miss any of my singles when blast beautiful mouth. With a fantabulous taste, creations, and as there is no nonsense material, performance about creations, variations, tremendously. It's a food-based channel. So don't worry, be a part of my show. Hey guys, welcome to my brand ZAK Bite N Taste. As from the name, you can judge it's a food-based channel. In this showcase, you will see my tremendously impressive performance about creations, variations, presentations on different types of dumbfounding food recipes. You can feel that in every recipe I made packs of a punch of lavishly tasty with the power of shocking flavors when blast in your beautiful mouth with a fantabulous taste. This mesmerizing, delightful taste hits your heart too with sweet love and kindliness. This mesmerizing, delightful taste hits your hearts too with sweet love and kindliness. So don't worry, I and my recipes are very effortless on the eye and as there is no nonsense material. So be a part of my show. So hurry up. I know your burning desire is this. You don't want to miss any of the single moments of my breathtaking upcoming videos. Hey, where are you lost? Can you share that eye-catching experience with our viewers? Wow, I feel the taste in every scoop. Makes me as nutty as a fruitcake. Fruitcake. Happy birthday to Zach. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Zach. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Zach. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Zach. Happy birthday to you. Would you like to taste it? Why not? What do you feel or assess? What you feel or assess, can you figure out and express your thoughts with your viewers? What do you feel? Wow. A really dreamy assessment with great vision. Loves to bite again and again. So of course you must have heard the opinions of the guys, but I want to know what you guys think. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So leave a thumbs up, must like and subscribe to YouTube channel ZAK Bite N Taste for the upcoming videos, and power the notification bell icon button too for the upcoming notifications so you get notified of the latest videos promptly, and it's free. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. See you in another rousing gleamy video. Take care. Bye for now. Wow.